Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and zip packing or unpacking app on a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Right here try to find the app called RAR. It should look like this. Click on a search. Here we have it and we can install it. After installation process is complete, you can launch the app and allow access to manage all files. Let's go back, allow to send notifications and dismiss this notification. When it's ready, you'll be able to pack or unpack any kind of files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.